everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day. I have my birthday gift unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. I haven't been feeling the best, so hopefully I'll be able to get through the unboxing without coughing my head off. So I don't have COVID, thank God, but I do have went to the doctors. He said that I had a virus and there wasn't too much they could help me out with. So they said it just runs its course and it's about all you can do. It's not good. Yeah, so he said basically you just drink a lot of hot tea and hope for the best. I said, all right, we'll do what we can. But I was glad that I was able to get to the doctors because I was getting like, I can't stop coughing, and that's, oh my gosh, that's a bad feeling. All right, let's see here. All right, this is my birthday present. I'll be 64 on February 2nd. So, got an early birthday present from hubby. So, that was nice. I've been wanting this one for quite a while. Let's see here. What are you guys doing? Anything exciting? I just got back. Oh, here we go. Yeah. All right, it's from Coach. Comes in a box like that. They wrap it up really nice. Sorry for the coughing, but I'm not the best. All right. And they give you a little sticker. And they give you a box, so. All right, let's see if I can get that out. Oh boy. That's what it looks like. There we go. Okay, they wrap it up really nice. Any guesses what it may be? Okay. All right, let's see here. All right. There's the box. It has the creed in there. Okay. Some more wrapping paper. Okay. Dust cover. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my gosh. This is the Rogue Tea Rose. I'll have to get all those off later on. And that's the back. And this is the front. It's really pretty. And I'll post a picture on Instagram. And these have real snakeskin handles. That's the snakeskin there. This is the Rogue 25. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's got feet on the bottom. It's got 4 feet. And I'll take all the stuff off of it later when I'm feeling a little bit better. Alright, I just wanted to open up the box and do this later on just to show you what I got for my birthday. Alright. So please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Till next time, thanks for watching. Hacky Sue. Hoping to get better soon. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.